Today we're making a Thanksgiving turkey breast in the slow cooker that's juicy, buttery, and full of flavor. No oven stress, no dry turkey, just straight up comfort food. Start by chopping 1 onion, 1 carrot, and 1 celery stalk. They go right into the bottom of the slow cooker to build a rich, savory base. Next, grab some fresh rosemary, thyme, and sage, the holy trinity of Thanksgiving flavor. Once they're finely chopped, melt 1 stick of butter in a small bowl, stir in a tablespoon of olive oil, then mix in the herbs along with a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of onion powder. Finish it with salt and black pepper, then give it a quick stir. That herby butter? Pure holiday magic. Rub that buttery mix all over the turkey breast. Don't skip under the skin, that's where the flavor sinks in. Set the turkey on top of the veggies, skin side up, and it's ready to go. Pour in 1 cup of chicken broth. That's the secret to keeping the turkey moist and flavorful while it cooks. Cook on high for about 4 hours, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the thickest part. The smell filling your kitchen? That's Thanksgiving calling. When it's done, give the skin that golden finish. Start under the broiler for a few minutes to bring up the color, then finish with a kitchen torch for that perfect, even glossy look. It's crisp, caramelized, and camera ready. For the gravy, switch the slow cooker to the sauté setting. Use a ladle and a kitchen strainer to lift out any bits, then sprinkle in a tablespoon of cornstarch and whisk until it thickens into a smooth, rich gravy. No extra pans, no mess, just flavor. Let the turkey rest for about 10 minutes before slicing. Juicy, tender, buttery, and perfectly seasoned mini soul snack. Good things take time. Let the moment simmer, and the results will always be worth it. For the full written recipe, cooking tips, and nutrition info, head over to kelvinskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who deserves a stress-free Thanksgiving dinner. Stay hungry, stay grateful, and I'll see you in the next one.